Trilogy Integrated Resources, the company you know and trust for our state-of-the-art network of care for health and human services, now offers the first and only online e-learning platform designed expressly for public sector agencies and affiliated associations. You already know the network of care story, how Trilogy single-handedly introduced powerful new technology to improve information and communication in the health and human services field. How by working with state and county governments to create virtual communities, Trilogy created more than 500 one-stop information places centered on highly interactive, tailored, community-based websites. Now imagine aiming Trilogy's dozen years of laser-focused expertise in health and human services at e-learning to deliver online training and education for professionals working in government agencies and the private sector. The result is anywhere, anytime learning, delivered via a powerful, streamlined platform that's hassle-free and highly cost-effective. The Network of Care e-learning makes it simple to deliver online training and education for professionals working in government agencies and the private sector. As a result, you get better qualified employees, less downtime, and more tax dollars in your budget to deliver the services your constituents demand. Our learning management system makes it simple for employees to log on and take the classes they need at their convenience, whether it's for human resources, safety and compliance, mental and behavioral health, direct care workers, children and families foster care, or management and organizational development. We've listened to you, our customers, to make sure the Network of Care e-learning meets your needs. We've listened to vendors in the marketplace too. That's why we made the Network of Care e-learning a groundbreaking, neutral courseware marketplace, rather than forcing agencies into a rigid set of courses from a single vendor. Instead, you can upload as many catalogs as you like, or choose best-of-breed courses from the providers you want. And if you or other agencies don't see a program of instruction that meets your needs, we can work with educational software providers to create customized learning modules. With Trilogy's revenue sharing option, your agency or association can sell your own courses to help amortize costs or create profit centers. At Trilogy, we're proud to deliver a learning management system that can connect everyone in state and local government and community agencies as well, from the people on the front lines of service to department heads. With just a button click, we can deliver courseware and roll-up reporting. Our built-in tracking tools streamline management and eliminate compliance headaches. Economies of scale are real and can be measured on your bottom line. Instead of agencies reinventing their own training, they can deploy a single system and use the money they save to deliver services. So what are you waiting for? Call us today at 415-458-5900 or email us at elearning@networkofcare.org.